Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, officer.
Do you know why I stopped you?
No, officer. Why?
You were driving very fast.
Yes, I know.
Why were you speeding?
Because I must get to the hospital.
Is someone sick?
Yes,
Who is sick?
my wife.
What happened to your wife?
She is having a baby.
Really?
Yes, officer.
Okay. How old is your wife?
She is 70 years old.
70 years old?
Yes.
And she is having a baby?
That's right,
That sounds impossible.
but it is true.
I don't believe you.
Why not?
A 70-year-old woman cannot have a baby easily.
Well, strange things happen.
I want proof.
What kind of proof?
Call your wife right now.
Okay.
Hello?
Honey, a police officer wants to talk to you.
Why? He doesn't believe me.
Give him the phone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, officer.
Is it true that you're having a baby?
Yes?
And you're 70 years old?
Yes.
How is that possible?
Officer, I'm not having the baby.
What?
Our daughter is having the baby.
My husband forgot to tell you that part. So your wife is not pregnant?
No,
Then why didn't you say that?
because you kept asking questions.
Sir, you almost gave me a heart attack.
Sorry, officer.
Next time, drive slowly
I will.
and tell the whole story.
I promise.
What a strange day!